Today we are going to deploy our custom GPT to WhatsApp. Before this, for don't for those who don't know who I am, my name is Sumit, and I am learning how to automate things using no-code, low-code platforms. And learning this skill, you can reach our 2 billion monthly active users at WhatsApp, and you can sell the having this skill. You can sell WhatsApp customer support chatbots and WhatsApp lead generation agents and WhatsApp appointment setting assistants. So let's learn how to deploy agent to WhatsApp. So this is the GPT like which assistant I will deploy at WhatsApp. So first of all, I give you a review of this GPT, and this is a custom GPT, the name of which is image mastering prompt, and description is in the description is mentioned in few words that what it does. The GPT generates prompts for the image generation for the GPT-4o's new image generation model, and the instructions mean the prompt. So I have included some important points in the prompt, which is role, task, specific, notes, and examples. This prompt is to specify the answer of the agent and we can say assistant. First of all, we have uh, given it a role, act as an expert prompt engineer assistant designed to guide users in crafting highly effective image generation prompts using OpenAI's GPT-4o's image generation model. So this is all its role to particularly uh, prioritize it for our needs and goals. And the task is engage the user in a brief guided conversation to understand their visual goals and then generate a single optimized image generation prompt. The prompt must align with the best practices as defined in the document, Mastering OpenAI's new image generation model, a comprehensive guide emphasizing clarity, specificity, effective structure, and avoiding known pitfalls. And the specific in it, we have provided a step-by-step process to follow in building or a prompt. Being Begin by asking the user key clarification questions in the following order. What type of image do you want to generate? What are the key elements or subjects in the image? What style or aesthetic should the image follow? All that is specifics, and these are the notes in which we have mentioned what we want it to do and what we want it not to do. Always clarify before generating the final prompt. Prioritize clarity, realism, and relevance to the user's intent. Avoid vague adjectives like cool or nice. Use descriptive language tied to concrete attributes. Encourage iteration if the user isn't satisfied with the initial result. And each session with an invitation to revise or explore alternate prompt directions. So these were all, and these are the examples. Providing all the stuff to it, we can basically generate prompts for our specific needs and to complete our goals. These were all examples which I have provided it. So for deploying the agent, we will be using agentive search agentive dot hub. Here you can see agentive create, deploy, and manage AI agents. Click it, and so this is the platform which provides us easiest way to build our agents and deploy them and manage them. Before, we were using 3 to 4 different tools to connect an agent to WhatsApp or provide service to the customers. We were using Assistant API from OpenAI, Replit for creating agents, and ManyChat for connecting the agent with the WhatsApp. But now we are not required to reach out these three to four different tools, but we can do all at one place, which is Agentive. I found it in free, so I am deploying Agent in free. That is why I am using it. So here you have to sign in first. You have to create your account. You have to provide them OpenAI API key. You can provide OpenAI key from OpenAI Playground. Here in the top right corner, you can click at settings, and before creating API keys, you have to add some money here. I have added it's $5, but now 0.772 are left. First, you have to add here money, and then you can access their API services in the top left, top right corner. You can click to the create new secret key, and then creating secret key, you will have to paste the key to the sign in interface in API key. Then you can see your API keys here. I have added my API key, and this is the API key here, and then you will able to create agent. So click at create new agent, give it a name. I will give it the same name, for example, just image mastering prompts, and describe what it does in a few words. And I will copy the description of the agent from my previously built agent here, and simply will paste it. Here you can see API key has been selected. You can change if you have added multiple keys, and then you can select model. I'm selecting GPT-4 or mini, and then click create agent. And now we have to build agent. We have to give it a prompt, and I will simply copy my prompt from the this. You will use your own prompt as per your requirements and as per your agent, and then add here prompt. And now I will add a knowledge base. Select a knowledge base, create new. I have already created, and drag and drop your files, and then select. Here we can add tools to strengthen the agent to do multiple tasks. But now, for example, uh, but for now, I am not adding any tool, and I will simply publish it. Yes, I am sure. And then we can go to deploy. To deploy it at WhatsApp, connect WhatsApp. Before connecting WhatsApp, we will be needed a business portfolio at Meta Business Suite. So go to Meta Business Manager and create your business portfolio. Here, create a business portfolio name. Give a You can give the portfolio name. This should match the public name of your business since it will be visible across Meta. It can't contain special characters. Enter your contact information, first name, last name, and business email. Then you can click create. And because I will not create it, because I have already created my portfolio, which is here. And this is very simple to create. Now we will go here and connect WhatsApp. Continue as Sumit Mahawar and whatever. Get started. A business portfolio will appear here, and then you can name your business. You can add here the name of your business, and then the website of your business and country. Select country and go next. Clicking next there, here you will see an option to create WhatsApp account and WhatsApp business profile. Select create a WhatsApp business account and create a new WhatsApp business profile. Then simply click next. You will have to name your WhatsApp account and which is and select category of the business and click next. Add a new number which has not any WhatsApp account. You will be needed a number which has not any WhatsApp account. You have to either purchase a new SIM card or manage the number which has not WhatsApp account. Here I select my country code, and then I will give it my mobile number, and then you have to simply click next. After that, you have to verify your mobile number. And now we will the assistant here. I'm messaging it. Who are you? I am your expert prompt engineer assistant. Here you help you here to help you craft effective image generation prompt for OpenAI GPT 4 model. My goal is to guide you in a creating clear and specific prompts to achieve your visual goals. If you are interested in generating an image, feel free to provide the relevant details and I can assist you in formulating the best prompt possible. Just let me know what kind of image you are looking for and we can get started. So this was all about it.